Hi there. All right. As you can imagine, putting together this entire roadmap takes us a lot of time. It combines 2.5 years of knowledge into one detailed blog post. Now, it can also feel very overwhelming that, okay, I have a non technical background. Who was this roadmap for? This was for people who have don't have a technical background but would like to build some custom software or some product idea. If the whole roadmap feels overwhelming, you can kind of find an expert. We build apps for clients all around the world, and we've built many different types of kind of marketplaces, dashboards, embedded widgets, interactive kind of what was this one, interactive form sequence which builds a final page, a scheduling system for dog trainers, a dashboard for like combining lots of API integrations, a SaaS tool, another SaaS tool, a mobile app. We tend to shy away. We don't usually recommend mobile apps for MVPs anymore. Another dashboard and many more that aren't here. So if you're wondering that, you know what, it's too much, this whole roadmap, it's great to be aware of the existence of this, but you may not have the time to go through the roadmap, and you're like, you know what, I'd still like this idea to be built. Get in touch with us. There's a link in the description below, and I'll be happy to help you out. All right. Thank you very much. Thanks. Bye.